Let's consider a few more examples. So let's consider how to draw an angle of 90 degrees. So what I will do, I will draw a line, and then 90 degrees is basically a perpendicular angle. So this will be my 90 degree. And this is the symbol that you see right here. Let me change the color. This is the symbol for 90 degrees. So I will draw this one. So for 90 degree, you don't need to write the value of angle because this symbol represents that the angle is 90 degree. And of course, we are measuring counterclockwise. Now, let's draw an angle of 180 degree. Now again, look at the angle. Angle is a positive 180 degrees. So I will draw a straight line. Now, as you know, this is my point right here, vertex, and the angle goes like this. And I will write it as 180 degrees. Now, let's consider another example. If I want to draw 270 degrees, then I will draw an angle like this. And again, I'm measuring the counterclockwise. But if I have to draw the same angle with negative sign, which is like negative 270 degrees, I will draw the same angle the way I have over here. But now my arrow that represents a 270 degree is like this, which is again clockwise movement. So we know that the unit of angle measure is what? Degree, right? But there are some other units that's smaller than degree. So 1 degree is basically what? 1 over 360th of circle, right? What does that mean? It means that if I draw a circle, so this is my circle, this is the center O of the circle, and what I do, I divide this circle in small tiny pieces. And how many pieces do I make? I make 360 parts of the circle. So if I make 360 parts of the circle, and then I consider one part right here, which is basically 1 degree, which is basically what? 1 degree. So 1 degree is basically what? 1 part out of 360 parts of circle, right? So if I want to measure 1 degree, I need to do what? I need to consider a circle, cut 360 small tiny parts like a piece of pie or pizza, and then I take one piece and whatever the angle I have at the center of the circle, that is my 1 degree. How do I measure it? 1 degree is basically 1 over 360th part of the circle. Now, there are other small units of the angle measurement for the degree. So the unit smaller than degree is called minute. Minutes. It's called minutes. So 1 degree is 60 minutes, right? And there is another small unit, we call it second. So before I move on to second, let's look at the minute. So 1 degree, this is the symbol for degree, is equal to 60 minute. Look at the symbol right here. Look at the symbol right here. Over here, 60 and then 1 dash. That is the symbol of, this is the symbol of, let me use a different color so that you can see, this is the symbol of minute. Now, 1 minute see this symbol right here, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So as you can see, this is the symbol for minute, but this is the symbol for what? Second, right? So if I summarize this whole degree measure, I can easily write 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? And minute and second, they are basically like a small unit to measure the angle, but sometimes we have to use those units because the unit is so complicated or so important that we want to measure the angle up to that point, like up to the seconds or the minutes. So just to summarize that, 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So this is the symbol right here, the circle. That is the symbol for degree. 1 dash, so if I write a number and I put 1 dash, that is a symbol for minute. And 2 dashes, if I write 2 dashes, then it's a second. So basically that is a symbol for second. And this is how we can define the degree measure for any given angle.